At her kiosk in Chidaluk, south of Jakarta, Ida Rosida mixes refreshing drinks from ice, water and powder, and the children there love them. Hers is the only beverages shop in the whole village. Without a refrigerator, Ida couldn't produce her refreshing drink. It secures her existence, enabling her to earn 3, sometimes 4 euros a day. Ida and her daughter took out a loan of almost 100 euros to buy the fridge. But only a few weeks later, just after her 23rd birthday, Ida's daughter died. She left behind her son Tuffy and, of course, the business. In addition to the loan, Ida and her daughter had taken out microinsurance with Allianz for less than 40 cents. After her daughter's death, Allianz paid off the loan and also paid out another 100 euros to Ida.
Ya, saya berobatnya di alternatif, nggak berobat ke dokter, terus mendadakan pas berobat ke dokter.
At first I wasn't sure if the insurance company really would pay out, if it would keep its promise. But when my daughter died, they paid really quickly, so now I trust insurance.
Pinjaman koperasi baru bayar 3 kali, terus katanya dapat asuransi.
Indonesia is also known as a land of natural disasters. The island country is no stranger to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, nor to floods in Jakarta, its capital city. Yet less than 2% of its population are insured. This is basically because over half of the 240 million people living in Indonesia survive on less than $2 a day and have no money for insurance. Microinsurance could change this completely, which could be a benefit to Allianz in the long term. In the last 3 years alone, Indonesia's economic strength has almost tripled. An annual growth of up to 10% is expected in the coming years and decades. So the large numbers of poor could soon evolve into a sizable middle class that it can afford more expensive insurance. The most important thing for us is to acquire customers and grow with them. Then our portfolio will begin to expand. But our mission is very clear. We won't make losses, but our profit expectations are not the same as for conventional products. Allianz Indonesia also enjoys support from Munich, where the board of its parent company takes insurance protection for the poorest of the poor very seriously. This isn't simply an initiative the Allianz Group has launched just because someone thought, wouldn't it be a good advertising for Allianz to offer microinsurance? We provide microinsurance because there is a strong need for it in these countries. On the one hand, we're hoping that we can do more and more business with the customers we already have, and that their numbers in wealth will increase as they have done in various other countries. And on the other, we are doing our bit to help customers to get insurance in the first place and hopefully also building a long-term relationship with them. So far, Allianz has acquired around 30,000 new customers via microinsurance contracts, but that's just a fraction of the market. A study predicts that in 10 years' time there could be up to 12 million potential customers. To tap into this potential, Allianz needs partners, like social entrepreneur Bambang Ismawan. He is the founder of Bina Swadaya, a bank that has been granting microloans for over 30 years, and Allianz has acquired new customers through him. Bambang was named Social Entrepreneur of the Year in 2006 for his work on fighting poverty, and he is also convinced that microinsurance is a good thing.
Microinsurance will help the poor people through encouraging microfinance institutions to expand their credit to the poor. So it is indirectly support. And the attitude of microfinance institutions a bit hesitate to give credit. Then now with microinsurance, they are back up.
Ida Rosida is still trying to come to terms with the death of her daughter, but the crowds of children who visit her every day since she opened the kiosk help her to cheer up. Ida says she hopes that one day everybody in Indonesia will have insurance. Allianz is working on that.